How to replace a cracker. I've taken a cracker out of this fall on the Karaka Whip. We have this double back braided area, and if you have a fid, this is called a fid. It's a leather working tool. Um, you might around the house you might have an ice pick shaped the same way, and we just make a hole there near the end, and then we take our cracker and feed it gently, persistently through, and use the fid or ice pick to poke it out at the other side. That's a movie making miracle. It took me about 3 minutes or something to do it last on the practice run. But so then you just loop the long end through the loop, and boom, that's how they do it. If you don't have a fid and the required patience to do it that way, it'll work just fine to feed the end of the cracker through the loop here. Whoops. Through the end of the cracker, and this makes a knot, and the knot should not fall off the end because of that fat part on the back braided. And when you crack the whip, it'll help lock that into place. So I think that'll be a tiny little bit less secure, but it's a lot easier. And if you don't have a fid, it's the best way to go.